Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the ocean? Just like on land, the ocean floor has mountains, valleys, and plains. Bathymetry is like making a map of the ocean floor. It helps us understand the shape and depth of this hidden world. Imagine a giant underwater landscape waiting to be explored. By studying bathymetry, we can learn about the amazing features hidden beneath the waves. We can discover underwater volcanoes, vast plains, and deep trenches. It's like unveiling a secret world that few people get to see. Bathymetry helps us to understand the ocean and all the creatures that live in it. The ocean floor has some incredible features. Imagine a mountain range so big, it stretches for thousands of miles underwater. These are called ridges, and they are formed by volcanoes. Then we have canyons, which are like deep, narrow valleys carved into the ocean floor. Some canyons are even deeper and wider than the Grand Canyon. Finally, imagine the deepest parts of the ocean, where the seafloor dips down into long, narrow valleys called trenches. These trenches are the deepest places on Earth. These features are not just pretty to look at. They tell us a lot about how the Earth works. Ridges are where new ocean floor is created. Canyons are formed by underwater currents, like rivers in the sea. Trenches are where one part of the Earth's crust slides under another. By studying these features, we can learn about the forces that shape our planet, both above and below the water. How do we even know what the ocean floor looks like? We use something called sonar. Sonar is like a flashlight that uses sound instead of light. A ship sends out a sound wave, and when the sound hits something solid like the ocean floor, it bounces back. By measuring how long it takes for the sound to return, we can tell how deep the water is. Another tool is called an echo sounder. It works in a similar way to sonar, but can create more detailed pictures of the seafloor. It's like taking a sonogram of the ocean. These amazing tools allow us to see the ocean floor without ever getting wet. Remember those deep-sea trenches we talked about? They are just way too deep for humans to explore safely. That's where underwater robots come in. These robots, also called ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, can withstand the crushing pressure of the deep ocean and send back, honestly, some incredible images and information. Thanks to technology, mapping the ocean floor is getting easier and more accurate all the time. Satellites in space can even help measure the ocean's surface, which gives us clues about what lies beneath. As technology improves, we can explore more of the ocean and, well, learn even more about this mysterious world. Bathymetry data tells us so much more than just the shape of the ocean floor. It helps us understand what the seafloor is made of, like rocks, mud, or sand. We can also identify underwater volcanoes, which are important for understanding the Earth's geology. By studying the shape and materials of the seafloor, we can also learn about ocean currents, which are like rivers flowing in the sea. These currents play a vital role in our planet's climate. The ocean floor is a treasure trove of information, and bathymetry is the key to unlocking its secrets. Bathymetry is not just for scientists. It has many practical uses in our everyday lives. For example, ships rely on bathymetry maps to navigate safely and avoid running aground. Imagine a giant ship trying to avoid an underwater mountain. Bathymetry helps keep them on course. Bathymetry is also important for building things in the ocean, like oil rigs or offshore wind farms. Engineers need to know the shape and stability of the seafloor before they can start building. Even marine animals benefit from bathymetry. Scientists use it to study the habitats of deep-sea creatures and protect them from harm. The ocean is a precious resource, and bathymetry is essential for protecting it. By understanding the ocean floor, we can identify areas that are important for marine life, like coral reefs or seamounts. We can also find underwater hazards, like shipwrecks or underwater landslides. Bathymetry helps us make better decisions about how to use and manage our oceans. It allows us to explore, understand, and protect the amazing underwater world that covers most of our planet. By learning more about the ocean floor, we can ensure a healthy future for our oceans and all the creatures that depend on them.